It was 4 a.m. when I left Tagum City. I'm trying to be early to catch the best view of the place where I want to go. It was a cold morning, so I decided to stop for a hot drink. Well done. Time for a road trip.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
The sun was already up when I arrived at Maragusan, which was my first destination, the summer capital of Davao region. I went to see the Sea of Clouds in one of the resorts, but unfortunately, the Sea of Clouds were already gone. Regardless, I came to see the view instead, and it was still worth it. After breakfast, I packed my things and went to one of the attractions here in Maragusan, the Silvassa Falls. It's my second time here, and I was really amazed the first time I came around.
Oo. Ano man yun, baha?
Di kani. Oh, mau ni.
Nawala, ito yung tindahan da, ano?
Oh, wala ka. Amo mato ni balin mi dito kay kupalay man yan.
Sige, sige na.
Kau ba nimo?
Ako Raisa.
Ko resa.
Oo.
Lagi.
Okay, kung miyagi, doon miyato.
Nagsakyanan ka.
Motor good.
Pasita kay Chika kay si Manong. I've met them before when I first came here. They're super nice.
So,
Vlog.
Jimmy.
This is one of the best places to go if you want to relax and disconnect from the busy world. The sound of the waters are so refreshing. For you to get to the main attraction, you have to go through a bamboo bridge. It looks a bit dangerous and scary. I wouldn't recommend this for young children and seniors.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't treat myself at the spine.
I was really enjoying the serenity of the place. This is the best place to think, the best place to heal. I was enjoying all these, then this happened.
But I don't wanna jinx it, babe.
I might as well just go down and have a chit chat with one of the locals.
Naik dari mundo dia.
Isa may nakakita daw.
Katong kataray mo nakita. Oo.
Tiyan ka dia. Instant millionaire ka ba?
Matik na lo paborito niya. Tag 5 kilo di.
Ah. Ay, sa kayo.
Ini yung nakapun 30 million. Kaya ko dito lang.
I had a nice chat with Kuya Bong. Now it's time to pack up and head to our third destination.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Maragusan to Mati was indeed a long drive. It was lunchtime when I arrived in Mati, so I first decided to look for a place to dine.
Well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
As I was coming out from the restaurant, this kid caught my attention.
Pero tapos na ikan na no. Pero tapos na ikan na no. Sa Domingo no. Sa entrada ni mo dire. Parking? Oh, ito yung lula. Ari mo magpapa.
Nilag ng Mariano.
Hmm?
Nilag ng Mariano.
Iya bus. Sa kwarta ni mo dire.
Ayaw ra.
Sure ba? Wala ka ngayo.
Kawatan.
Mayroon mo. Sure may kwarta. Ha? Sure ba? Wala ka skila day. Saan, bakasyon ha? Bakasyon? Undang ka?
Nang ko wala. Ito kumar ka ng lula.
Dapat ka para makatabang ko maisin ng lula po. Hindi pa nang may mahuman. Makatrabaho ka ba? Kapoy na sigurad. Bantay parking. Hindi kayo.
Nagmamama ko. Mama, di mo na ulit sila. Ako sa isa lang mo dito.
Kamu rin kauban sa lula?
Mangod ako. Tatag tambal sa isang lula niya.
Stilan niya. Kinsa may nagpakaon sa mangod?
Ako.
Nagmay pa yung mga mangod. Sure ba? Sige, jam na ko mo.
Tuwa pa nga sa nakakamay. Ay, sa tray.
Nakapoy.
Ha?
Bata pa kayo. Pila ka po?
Bata pa. Gado yung
Nalan sa ko. O pumuntay kwarta sa picture doon. Phone. Balik na ko sa phone. Tao sa ko. Pangalan ni mo? Pinji. Magno. Ay, nagipalit pa. Sige, shot mo na ha. Kaya?
Benji's life story gave me a reminder today to appreciate and value what I currently have while I still work for what I want. My heart is really close to these kind of kids whom at a young age now works at the streets just to get a meal for the family. So I decided to give him more, not because I have much, but because I know how it feels to have nothing. Finally, I'm heading to my last destination. Davao Oriental has been known to have beautiful natural attractions, and Mati City has been known for their beautiful beaches. So I went to the Hikan Surf Resort. This ends my solo adventure for today. Thanks for watching.